In this video, I'll show you how to change or add a keyboard language on your MacBook. First, click the Apple logo in the top left corner of your screen, then select System Settings. In the left-hand sidebar, scroll down and click Keyboard. Next, find the Text Input section and click Edit next to Input Sources. Before continuing, make sure Show Input Menu in Menu Bar is turned on. This will allow you to quickly switch between your keyboard languages later. To add a new keyboard language or layout, click the plus icon in the bottom left corner. You can now browse the available languages or use the search bar to find the one you need. Select your preferred language, choose the keyboard layout you want to use, and then click Add. The new keyboard input source will now appear in your list. From this window, you can also review and adjust any available typing settings. Once you're finished, click Done. To switch between your installed keyboard languages, go to the menu bar at the top of the screen and click the input menu icon. Depending on your settings, this may appear as a letter, a flag, or another keyboard symbol. You'll then see all the keyboard languages and layouts currently installed on your Mac. Simply select the one you want to use. You can also switch between input sources using the keyboard shortcut shown in your keyboard settings. And that's how you can add and change the keyboard language on your MacBook. If you found this video helpful, leave a comment below, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.